Conversation between girl and librarian.
Hi, I'm looking for a good novel to read.
Of course. What kind of genre are you interested in?
I'm open to anything, but I love mysteries and thrillers.
Great. Have you read The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It's a fantastic book. It's a gripping mystery with complex characters and a fast-paced plot.
That sounds intriguing. Do you have a copy available?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have a copy on the shelf.
Excellent. I'll take it. By the way, have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I recently finished The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. It's a beautifully written novel with a magical and enchanting story.
That sounds lovely. I'll add it to my reading list. Thank you for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading and let me know if you need any more suggestions.